Hello everybody, welcome to the Anuj classes. I'm going to start a new series where we will be covering the mathematics subject of CBSE as well as IIT JEE mains. We will start our first chapter, that is the relation and the function. Our first topic will be ordered pair and the unordered pair. The ordered pair is the one in which the order is important, whereas the unordered pair is one in which the order is not important. We have a pair 1, 2 and 2 and 1. That as per the ordered pair, we can say that the number of pairs have will be 2. And as per the unordered pair, both this pair 1, 2 and 2, 1 will be same. Similarly, if we have a pair of 3, 4 and 4 and 3, so as per the unordered pair, these two pairs will be same. So here we can say that if I have to say the number of unordered pair will be 1. Okay, so here we have our first example, and we need to identify what is the total number of ordered pair, what is the total number of unordered pair. So within the ordered pair, so we'll start writing the pairs. The first pair is 2 and 3, then we have 1 and 2, then we have 2 and 1, then we have 4 and 5, then again 5 and 4, then 6 and 6. Now if we write all the unordered pair here, so by the unordered pair we can say that okay, for 2 and 3 there is no match, but for the second option, that is 1 and 2, and I can say that 2 and 1, these both are unordered pair. Then same goes for 4 and 5 and 5 and 4, and last one is the 6 and 6. So I can say that the total number of the ordered pair is 1, 2, 4, 5 and 6. So the total number of ordered pair will be 6, whereas the total number of unordered pair will be 4. Then we'll move on to our next example, and we need to find the value of x and y, and here we have given an equation, so which is x plus y, x minus 2y is equals to minus 2 and minus 3. We have to solve both, one in case of ordered pair and one in case of unordered pair. If it is an ordered pair, that means there can be only a one possible solution, that is either x plus y is equals to minus 2 and x minus 2y is equals to 3, and we will solve this equation and we'll say okay, this will be the solution of our ordered pair. So here we have written x plus y is equals to minus 2, x minus 2y is equals to 3, and on solving we'll get x is equals to minus 1 by 3 and y is equals to minus 5 by 3. In case of the unordered pair, we'll have one more case in which I can write x plus y is equals to 3 and x minus 2y is equals to minus 2. This is our equation number 3 and this is our equation number 4. So this is our second case when x plus y is equals to 3 and x minus 2y is equals to minus 2. So in this case we'll have two solutions, y is equals to 5 by 3, x is equals to 4 by 3. So this will wrap up the examples of ordered pair and unordered pair, and we will be moving to our next topic, which will be Cartesian product. Cartesian product of A and B. So A cross B. So this cross sign will indicate that we have to give a Cartesian product. So we have here two sets, one is set A 1 2 3 and another is a set B which is 1 and 5, and we need to find the Cartesian product of A and B. So in case of A cross B, first we will see what is the first element of A, which is 1, and what are the elements of B. So the first element of B is 1. Then what is the second element of B, which is 5. Now after writing this, we will move on to the second element of A, which is 2, and again we will repeat 1 and 5. Then again we will write with 3, 1 and 5. So this will be our solution, and we can see that there are total number of 6 elements: 1, 2, 3, 4 and finally 6. Now we have to write B cross A. When we will write B cross A, the first will always belong to the B set. So here 1, which is the 1 is from the B set, and this one is from the set A. Then again 1 and 2, then 1 and 3, then again 5 and 1, 5, 2, 5, 3. The total number of element n of A cross B is equal to n of B cross A. So the total number of element in both the cases are same, which is 6. But the solution of A cross B is not similar to the solution of B cross A. So here a very important point is that A cross B will not equal to B cross A. Next question is, what is the total number of element? So in order to find the total number of element, we have a very simple formula here, which is the number of element of A cross B is equals to number of element of A multiplied by number of element of B. So here number of element of A is equals to 3, B is equals to 2, and the total number of element is 6. Another example, what if we have more than 2 number of sets, and if the set is given by A cross B cross C. So the solution will be same. We will first begin with A, which is 1. Then what is the element of B, which is 2, and then the element of C, which is 5. Now since the number of element of C is only 1, then we'll change the B, which is 3, 5, then 2 to 5, and then 2, 3, 5. So here we have only 4 elements. Now to find the number of element, we'll give the multiplication of number of element of A with the number of element of B and number of element of C. So there will be total 4 elements. So the Cartesian product of the two sets AB is non-empty sets of all ordered pair AB such that A belongs to A and B belongs to B. Non-empty set. So that means A cross B will always have some element in it. It will never be an empty set. So it is a non-empty set. We can see that this is how we will write the formal definition of A cross B. A cross B is equals to AB such that A belongs to the set A and B belongs to the set B. I hope this is clear to you, and we'll be moving on to note down some important points. So first point, we have already seen that A cross B is not equals to B cross A. A cross B equals to B cross A. It is only possible if A equals to B. So if the number of elements of A is P and number of elements of B is Q, then the total number of the elements is P cross Q. Phi is basically an empty set. Cartesian product of A and an empty set, it will always give a empty set. The Cartesian products follow the distributive law. The Cartesian product of A and B union C will be equal to the union of A cross B as well as A cross C. Now this U sign is the union and this sign is the intersection. This is some 11th class syllabus. Just if A cross B union C equals to, first we'll go A and B. So A cross B union of, then we will go A and C. The same thing we wrote here. Now the same thing will also follow if we have intersection. If we have intersection in place of union. So this law will also work in case of intersection. Cartesian product of two identical sets like R, so it will be R cross R, then cube of R is R cross R cross R, and just like we wrote the formula for A and B, here we can similar way we can write it for A, B and C. I hope it is very much clear to you. We just discussed the points that we did earlier, and there are some topics of class 11th which we will be doing in our next chapter.